If you are using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and love handwritten note with your S Pen, this tip will make your task list much easier. Instead of manually adding checkboxes every time, let's set the checkboxes template as the default for new note, so every note starts ready for your to-do list. To do so, open Samsung Note app. Tap the three horizontal line at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Tap default note style. Next, tap template. Scroll down the screen, and then choose the one with checkboxes. This will set the checkbox template as the default style for every new note you create. Now, let's create a new note. Tap the back twice. Then tap create new note icon at the bottom right. Remove your S Pen. And then start writing your list. With this template, you don't need to insert any checkbox manually, and everything stays neat and organized just like a printed checklist. Given to the function, this is especially useful if you prefer handwriting over typing and it feels just like writing on a planner or paper notebook. So if you are someone who uses Samsung Note to track tasks or jot down quick reminders, changing your template to checkboxes and using it with the S Pen makes the whole process faster and more natural. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.